Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good afternoon to all the members of meeting. So today we will be discuss on our project at Pulau Perhentian Kecil. So I need all of you give some suggestions or opinion to we get the development of this project. So I want all of you give your commitment and support this project, because this is our big project. So I will pass to the secretary to read the last minutes of meeting.
Now I will read the last minute of meeting. Okay, the minute of the first committee meeting of the Perhentian Kecil project on December 2014 at 9 AM at the Tanjung Depan Road. Okay, for the first reading and opening, the meeting was called to order at 9 AM by the chairman. This is Mr. Shahid bin Muhammad Rahim. He thanked everyone for making the time on short notice. And second briefing on the Perhentian Kecil project, the chairman briefed the committee on the latest investment to be made by the Suria Holdings Sdn Bhd, which was the Perhentian Kecil project. The committee was informed that the approximate cost of the project was RM 240 million. And number 3, report on current state of Perhentian Kecil Island. Mr. Kuhasrul report that the Perhentian Besar Island is approximately 40 km off the shore of Kuala Terengganu and is only accessible by boat, and the island is surrounded by white sandy beach and crystal clear water, which is host to a wide variety of coral, sea turtle, jellyfish, small shark and reef fish. The island maximum elevation is about 100 meters, and they are covered in coastal tropical jungle. And then there are few foot trail but no road. Perhentian Kecil Island still depend on diesel generator for electric power. Fresh water is provided by the spring found in the interior. The island is truly an escape from the modern day living. Its protect status has required any development project to be minimal in environment impact. Currently, the island has many as 20 chalet like accommodation with building no higher than 2 stories. And number 4, suggestion for project. Mr. Harry suggests that since the island do not have any 5-star hotel, it could be good investment for Suria Holding. And then Mr. Ko Hasrul object to the idea of building a 5-star hotel in view of the environment consequence it will inflict on the small island, and that the cost will exceed the stimulated budget for this project. And then Mr. Shahid proposed that the committee be given 2 months to research the island and its position so that viable business project could be put forth. This suggestion was seconded by Mr. Hasrul, but the time frame agreed by all members was reduced to 4 weeks. And lastly, any other business. Mr. Zuhairi suggests that each committee member bring a project proposal with approximate cost and relevant supporting document for the next meeting. And the meeting adjust at 12 noon.
Thank you for the Mr. Secretary for the last minute of meeting. So we'll proceed to the suggestion or opinion from all the member of committee on this meeting. So anyone can give your suggestion or opinion to this project.
So for this project, I have an idea to attract the tourists. How about we put the theme park? Here we can use the Lost World of Tambo as a model. And why I think this theme park, this project can build at the island, because not many theme park built at the island.
I'm sorry, Mr. Zohairi. I don't really agree with your suggestion because it will involve our environment. As we know, the tourists come here to see the beauty of our environment. So when we start to build the theme park, it will give effect to our environment. Can you imagine the cement mixture flow to our coastal area, and it will give effect to the marine life. How about you, sir?
We must know that our objective or our care is about environmental. So I stress that we must care the sector or part in environmental. With environmental, if we don't care about the environmental, so we can see that the damage of the habitat or the coral in the seas, animal like fish, jellyfish, all of them is polluted. So it is give disadvantages. So I think for the opinion from Mr. Zohairi, I think it is not necessarily needed. With reason and feedback of your opinion, I think all the members of committee agreed to object this opinion because many of disadvantages from that to
Okay, sir, I have my suggestion. Okay, I suggest that we need to add our facility, as we know that the facility play an important role to attract tourists to visit our island. So I suggest build more resort and hospitality like restaurant. And that beside that, we also need to improve our transportation, such as boat for the transportation of tourists.
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. Zamizah. I like your suggestion. Besides, when we talk about facility, we also, I think we also need to provide a gift shop in our island. Here, the tourists can buy souvenir for their memories. I think this can involve in facilities.
before that, I interest with the improvement on facilities on transportation that we use boat, right? So boat, I think if we use the houseboat, we create the houseboat or bring from the land, we bring the houseboat. So I think this houseboat or some things that are bigger from boat. So I think the tourists can get into the houseboat, such many people in that boat. So I think for the function of the houseboat is we can bring dia to the surrounding of the island. So other than that, we can bring them to see the sceneries on the island, around the island. So I think transportation is agreed. And for the gift shop. Gift shop from the Mr. Kuasrul. Gift shop is I agree that I agree also because gift shop is important to the tourists, so they can get some souvenir from our gift shop. So from that we can increase our economy or profit in this project. So some problem that I can detect from this gift shop. How about the supplier or the how we can get the stuff from the souvenir?
For the stuff, I think that there is no problem for this matter, because we can get the stuff from the villages from near our island. They got handcraft. They also got that coral that they have colored. So I think for the supplier there is no problem at all.
Additional from the gift shop, I think most of you have come from any cultural, like Mr. Zul Hairi. He's come from Kelantan, so I think he's have members that create the arts or cultures that we can bring from your side into our island, such as we can sell the Wabulan thing, Wabulan. So tourists, especially the foreigner can know about the arts of Wabulan. So I think Kelantan and Terengganu not much difference because same cultures, right? So how about additional, you have supplier from your village?
Yes, I think I have some friend supplier for the Wabulan.
Right. So it doesn't matter because there's problems that we can sit together to discuss more about the gift shop. So I think we proceed to others' opinion or suggestions.
So how about the promotion?
Oh,
Promotion.
promotion. I have a suggestion from my side. My side ideas is I want do the promotion. So with promotion, I have to first is package. So our project can do some package honeymoon for the new new couple that have married. So with honeymoon, we can prepare for them a beautiful scenes or that can give a romantic scene for the new married people. So my second package is I want do the research. I want this island be a center of the research study for the university student. Because okay, start.
Okay, sir. How about the promotion?
Okay. Before that, about promotion, I have my view set from me on my suggestion is I want to do 2 promotion. My suggestion is first is package. Okay, package. I want to put the honeymoon package. So I think with honeymoon we can attract the new person was married, so they can come into our island to make a honeymoon or holidays, some like that lah. So honeymoon, basically honeymoon, we can make a advertisement. So for the advertisement, we include this package and my second package is to get to do this island as the center of research study for the university student. So I think a lot of university in the Terengganu that from the sea sector or maritime. So in maritime sector, such as marine sector can do their research for the coral
Is that for the business study?
research study.
Study.
Okay, research study. So coral they can make their research on the marine animal, marine living. So with this center of research, many others, so others university can also come to our island to do research, anything research about the living plant, animals, jungle. So lot of activities can do in our island. So second promotion I want suggest is cost. Okay, cost. We can see that anything the attraction of the tourism or customers, our customers, I think we can do that on the school holiday. When school holiday begin, we can give discount. It's something like 30% discount. So with 30% of discount, we can attract more tourists or customers to our island. So I think with 30% of discount, I think that is not much. So I think we can back up our income.
Sure.
Yes.
How about during festive season like Hari Raya or Chinese New Year?
Also can because I think Hari Raya not suitable because when Hari Raya our people are Muslim people, they will come to their nephews house or siblings. So I think to come our island is not necessary because they spend time more with their families. Also with the Chinese New Year, I think for the Chinese people, I think in my opinion, some get holiday, some they are celebrate come back to Hong Kong. So it's okay. For the holidays, Chinese, Christmas, I think all of that can attract tourists come into our island. So I think with this promotion, I think it is suitable to include in our project. I think this is our big project at School of Maritime because I've done research about this island. First is the place, the area with the beautiful sceneries, with the facilities that we provide, and I think such as area located, the located island is strategic, and mostly it is as the center of the island. So this island at the center. So I think more attract and strategic is our island. So I hope all of us have worked out with the success of the work. So I think I hope this project will get the more attention from our investment. So we need a big investment in this project. So I want to ask Mr. Castro about investment. So how?
Firstly, we if we don't have enough capital, we also can make loan from
Bank.
financial institutes like bank. So I think there's no problem with
Or
that.
else we can joint venture
Joint venture.
with other company that other island. I think there's a company that provide their chalet or facilities that our planning in this project. So mostly uh, mostly with this promotion, I think we must plan with the strategic with more interaction for this promotion. So any ideas to talk about promotion?
The promotion, I think we need to cooperate with Ministry of
Tourism.
Tourism. Okay.
Can because Ministry of Tourism also provides facilities or their sector always make the tourism come to holidays because I've read the tagline. Malaysia is Terengganu. The Terengganu come to visit the Terengganu. So I think that our island can full with the tourists. So
Nak start macam mana ni?
any
Lihat.
yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I think some of you have anything suggestion you not come up from your ideas. So ini ada
So I have one opinion. How if we have a problem with the capital for the investment, we can make money for the lodging free activity of the behind area of this island. How?
lodging activities.
No. I think Mr. Zamizan, your suggestion also same with mine. It affected to the environment. So I'm sorry. That's
No,
I
I agree.
disagree.
no lodging for in this island. No,
So-
I disagree.
Okay, basically for the reason lodging activities to additional our program of investment. So
To get money.
to get money, I think that's not so good for the our company because lodging activities is affected the environmental side.
We need to concern.
So we need stress back our objective, our mainly point. Our company stress or cares about the environmental side. So lodging activity also can give the bad effect. Okay, bad effect because our island is small island. Because with small island, not we need the large of land that we can use. Some we use for the project, some part is for the like our discussion before that about the research, about the tourism, about the anything foreigner that can see the sceneries on the island. So to object this your opinion, Mr. Zayuz's opinion, I think we do not do the lodging activities for this project. So we can find all any else alternative. Yes.
As we can hear before this, you have mentioned that we don't have enough capital for this investment. So I think your first suggestion solution is more better. You like we get loan with a bank or make joint venture with other companies.
So, like I say, we try to find the different alternative or solution with non-logic activities. So I think we understand from our discussion, our problem and our point of views in this project. We stress back all of the work or the opinion must be related and cares about the environmental side. So I think that's all from you, right? So this discussion will object your opinion. Okay. Thank you for all of the suggestion and opinion from you, all of you. So we move on the fifth agenda. That is any other business that will come out from all of you.
Sir,
Yes.
I really love when we discuss about environment. I really like it. I think beside we add facilities, give promotion. Also have one suggestion. Here, I need to mention that we need to conserve of marine habit. You know, conserve.
Sorry, Mr. Kumasuro. I think how it can attract the tourists.
Okay, let me tell you. Okay. Here, one of the example when we conserve our marine habit. The natural the natural reef in our sea, like coral. Okay, coral. Okay, how about if we put the artificial one, the not the real one, not the natural reef. I think when we put the artificial reef, it can attract the marine habit like fish, jellyfish, maybe turtles. So it will attract the tourists to got involved for the scuba diving. As we can see, the European tourists from maybe China and others, they love to diving. So this is one of my suggestion. So it's not involve a lot of capital, not use a lot of money. It's really cheap. So how about this?
How about the rest of the members?
Are you agree with me?
Uh, For me, I agree with your suggestion.
Basically, how the flow of the conservation.
We need to discuss with the Ministry of Tourism first.
Tourism.
Yes, first because they involved in this activity. So I think this is one of the best idea because our company are concerned about environment, right? So here beside we attract tourists, we also save our
Environment.
protect our marine habit. So why not if we try this one?
So I think this suggestion not include more in capital or investment. So I think it is reliable or suitable.
Because it's not only for the money, it's not only for attract tourists. It's all about environment.
Also for the give knowledge to them.
Yes.
Right. So basically, so we will do this conservation at the hall of like ballroom to give the induction about the marine habit. So I think it's suitable to implement in our island. So if all the members have agreed this suggestion, I also agree this opinion.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Alright. Anything else from you? From alright. Also from me, I have no else to give the suggestion. I just hope all of the implement or the development in island we make together to gain the development and success this project at the end of the planning. So I hope all of us can give the commitment and the work, good work as a team to development this island. So I hold this meeting with the amendment.